Surprise yourself with the most curious facts about Wednesday. The Netflix series that has fallen in love with everyone thanks to touch of Tim Burton, king of the funniest terror. Wednesday is full of fun facts and trivia that make every second of the Netflix series that much more interesting after knowing some of the fun facts that hide behind many of Wednesday's scenes. Jenna Ortega learned to play the cello for her role. The elevator in her shoes make her look taller in the show. Wednesday rarely blinks. She only seems to blink when she is injured or caught off guard. In an interview with Tim Burton, Jenna Ortega said she would perform autopsies on dead animals as a child, more specifically the dead lizard she found in her backyard. Jenna Ortega not only learned to play the cello but took classes in fencing, archery, canoeing, German and boxing to prepare for her role. Wednesday's moves have gone massively viral on social media, even capturing the attention of Lady Gaga. The series was shot in Romania. Filming here allowed production to capture that gothic feel and towering architecture. Ortega unknowingly had disease while filming the movie. Wednesday production came under fire after Ortega revealed she was instructed to film while feeling sick.